Welcome. If you love browsing Pinterest on your phone and want your pins to really stand out, you'll want to try the wide layout view. This updated feature lets you showcase your pins in a large, full-width format, making every detail pop. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how to switch to wide layout for your pins on the Pinterest mobile app. First, open the Pinterest app on your mobile device. Once you're in, head straight to your profile by tapping your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your personal collection of pins and boards, where you can see everything you've saved and created. Next, look for the pins icon at the top of your profile page. Tap it, and you'll see all your saved pins displayed in the current layout. But we're here to make them even bigger and bolder. Now, pay attention to the icons at the top of your pins screen. You should see a layout icon, usually right next to the sort or filter icon. It might look like a little grid or a switch. Tap this icon, and a panel will pop up with different layout options. From here, select the wide layout option. This setting is designed to show your pins one per row, stretching them across the full width of your screen. It's the perfect way to highlight your favorite designs, recipes, or inspirations, and it gives your profile a clean, modern look. As soon as you select wide layout, your pins will instantly rearrange into the new format. Each pin now gets the spotlight it deserves, making it easier for you and your followers to appreciate the visuals and details. This is especially great if you want your content to stand out or if you're curating a portfolio of your best work. And that's all there is to it. With just a few taps, you've transformed your Pinterest profile into a gallery of bold, eye-catching pins. Give it a try and see how much more engaging your profile can look with wide layout view. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning.